Well, so the future of testing in my eyes is just going to broaden. We're looking at a lot of the Web3 technologies kind of coming into play. We're looking at, a lot more AR, VR coming into play. AI is obviously just, I mean, now that it's out, like this was the first year, I think that, you know, they released Chat GPT and suddenly AI became a real thing instead of a marketing ploy, right? and I
Yes.
and I think that scared a lot of people. Um, to me, it just means our world just gets way more interesting. We have so many opportunities out there, whether it's looking at VR experiences, whether it's looking at blockchain and looking at how that's going to be incorporated into our everyday lives. I mean, the the ability to kind of just imagine what our world's going to be like over the next few years as we start implementing some of this stuff. Um, all of that needs to be tested. And anybody who's used ChatGPT or any of these AI tools knows that they're not perfect. And they're deeply flawed because they're trained on deeply flawed information. And so, there's going to be some work to kind of tune those and get them working in a way that's safe, a little bit safer, that we can rely on a little bit more, just improve those models over time. Um, and I think, the same is going to be true for testing. So, um, I guess my outlook on it is to really try to encourage people, whether you're a tester, developer, product owner, you name it, anybody in the creative delivery space, to really just embrace it and get used to it and start playing with it and start, you know, kind of stretching the limits on what you think it can do to help you, so that you're getting your hands on it, because it's the individuals who are actually getting familiar with it who are going to be the most marketable moving forward. Um, and so, don't be afraid of it, because it is the future and it's not going away. So if we can embrace it and start integrating it with our process today, I think that's where we're going to get that's where we're going to see magic happen.